Is your 2010 Mazda 6 alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches and a weak key fob battery. Start by inspecting the door and hood switches for any signs of corrosion, misalignment, or damage. Use a multimeter to test their continuity. If the switches seem fine, replace the key fob battery with a new CR2032. A weak signal from the key fob can trigger the alarm. Also consider using an OBD2 scanner to read any fault codes such as B1600 for battery issues or C0053 for hood ajar switch malfunction. Once you've identified the issue, start with hardware fixes. For a faulty door or hood switch, replace it with a new one if it's worn out. If the key fob battery was the problem, replacing it with a fresh CR2032 battery should resolve the issue immediately. After fixing hardware, reset the alarm system. Try cycling the ignition by turning the key to the on position without starting the engine multiple times. If basic resets don't work, use an OBD2 scanner to perform a body control module reset. This clears error codes and recalibrates the system. If problems persist after these steps, consult a professional mechanic to diagnose deeper issues.